Hello everyone, my name is Omid from PLC channel, and in this video I'm going to explain how can we connect ISP Soft and DOP Soft in simulator. Okay, at the first I open my software and I create a new project from here. My PLC tape is SE. You can choose everything you want. Okay, click on OK, and then right click on program and create new. Click OK. Okay, I choose a contact and press escape on your keyboard and then click here, type set y0, enter, and we have to add a new network from here. Okay, network 2, click on this and here, and again we click escape and click here, RSTY0. RST is a command that you can reset your Y0 and set Y0 here, set Y0. It's a command that you can set Y0, your output. Okay, click on this and its name is M0 and its name is M1. Okay, in this program, if you click on M0 and active this register, you can set your Y0, and then you active M1, you can reset your Y0. Okay, so let's go to our commgr and right click on this and open, and you have to create a driver from here. Click on add. You can choose a name for your driver. I choose PLC gram. Connection setup tape have to be DVP simulator, and your device have to be everything you choose for your device tape. I choose the SE. Okay, and then click on this and start. Okay, now you can see that we have to go to communication setting and click on your driver name and then click OK and go to online mode. Yes, and we have to transfer our program and run PLC. Okay, we are in run mode now. Okay, I right click on this and set on. Okay, and we can see that Y0 is set now, and for reset Y0 we have to right click on this and set on M0. Okay, and you can see Y0 is reset now. Okay, I go to the Ispsoft and I create my project from here. I choose this, next, and we have to click on our driver name from here. Okay, my driver name was PLC gram, and finish. I go to element and bottom and the momentary. I create a bottom momentary push button. Okay, double click on this, and in the right address I have to write M0, enter, and I want choose a name on for 0 state, and again on for 1 state. Okay, and I right click on this and copy and paste. Okay, double click on this, and I have to change the right address from here. Okay, we can do this from here, or double click on this and open and M1. Okay, enter, and its text have to be off for 0 state and off for 1 state. Okay, and I want create a multi-state indicator. Okay, double click on this, and the read address have to be our coil name. Okay, Y0, and enter. For 0 state, I choose the red color and text. I want write Y0 is off, and for 1 state Y0 is on, and 1 state color I want be green. Okay, and then click okay. My HMI is ready now, and I go to offline simulator. Okay, and this is my HMI, and this is my PLC. Okay, when I click on the on button, Y0 have to be active, and you can see Y0 is active now, and my indicator is green, and the text is Y0 is on. And then I push off button. Yeah, Y0 is off, and you can see Y0 is deactive or reset in this PLC. Okay, on, you can see this, and off. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching, and I hope this video be useful for you, and please like this video if you like it, and subscribe me, and ring my bell, and thank you again. See you soon.